going to simula kami kanina sa Bright Hill to Woodlands. Sasakay naman kami ngayon ng bus mamaya. Hindi kami sasakay ng plane. Malaysia. Despite si Monica ay going to Malaysia. First time to go Malaysia. Pinagkasya namin yung damit naming 4 dyan sa bag na yan. Yan.
Travel-wise.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a bus here. So guys, we're gonna take a bus number 950. Priority lane. Ano guys? 950.
Masa-masa.
Optimistic. Yahoo! Just we're going to Malaysia. Ang laki ng na-in-love daw siya sa Indiano. Charot.
In-love ako sa
O yung Indiano.
Yung Indiano yung in-love sa akin.
What is going to Johor?
Going to?
Johor. Then I go in China. No Russia. You take this bus, you can go to a lot of places, right? Fanji.
For our car. Just very sleepy. Dito kami rent ng car. So this car we will gonna use it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm cute. I cannot see that someone inside there. Monica and Jasper's waiting down there.
Dugo na yung dito.
Okay.
Easy mo.
Oh?
Hindi pa yung mag-ingat. Ito yung
Matanda siya. Alright, let's go. Lilibutin na naman ang Malaysia for 1 week. Yeah, wait.
Let's see if I...
Welcome to Malaysia. Where I go. Hi. 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 At smiling. Dahil ang Malaysia flag yan. Oh, it's real.
Tapi dua.
Nga. Go to where? Go back again. So we're gonna eat here shrimp bakote. I miss to eat this one bakote here in Malaysia. Yung that vegetable. It's not. Trying the food here. So this is lettuce. Bakote pork, bakote chicken. What is this? I don't know what's this. Mersing. Where are you, Auntie Mersing? Mersing, Malaysia. Na Malaysia ka unay, Mersing. Nanonood ka ano?
Wow, see guys, that's the boat. Wow, very nice, but very dirty.
Crab there.
Huh?
Crabs.
There's a crab.
Alat.
Oh,
Sorry lah, why so far?
What?
Why so far?
wow.
Friend.
Si Uncle. Uncle yung nito.
Tu nhiều人登只一波咗啦，有人登下杯又有人杯啦。
Malaysian durian. Small but sweet and very good. The taste is like coffee.
Mukbang.
Nagmukbang si Bernard. Ano?
The durian of pretty dog.
Wow. It's small but so many ah.
是这样吗？不可以对哈，
Yeah.
不可对。
Small.
Kalinya.
Is this his plant?
No exercise.
啊？
No exercise.
你看，
No exercise.
我江边啊，江边，
Exercise.
江边呢。
Si Tommy Subiga.
Champion.
Campaign ada campaign.
Champion niya ka.
You.
Chubby.
This one na champion.
Yes, yeah.
You want that?
Yes, sama.
Hungry ah? Yan, Mark. Mark mo?
Boring already.
Champion na talaga.
Let's enjoy the coastal ride. Coastal drive.
That Lanzones yun. Also up there.
Sun, try.
Wow. White sand. This is Malaysia beaches here. Very nice. So we will just stop here first to take a rest because since morning we just drive. Where are you?
In Malaysia. Guys, bati na kami.
Pati na kayo?
That's swimming ah.
Baka naman, pipicture
That's
mo
swimming
ako.
ah. Daddy swimming, swimming ah.
Yay!
Look, Daddy swimming.
Fresh
Like,
air. Ako lang maitim dito.
Ate, maligo ka lang doon.
Guys,
Kaya mo na.
The beach is nice ah.
nangitim lang ako sa Boracay.
Nice na.
Ang ganda guys, oh. White sand.
Brown sun. Wow! See guys? Wow!
Niyugan ano di imon.
Very nice. This bar. Smile. Kiki. This bar. This bar. Kiki.
Sabi ni Porco.
Picture and video.
Okay.
Yay! Wow! Tara, tayo. Let's go.
Ayan yung mga helicopter.
Ate tayo magtalmegam lang tayo buray puti. Tayo puti.
Ayun o. Mas okay yung maliit. Diba malaki yan? Ang cute naman. Ang galing. Yun.
Ayun.
Kaya no. Ipatong na just for it.
Kayo. Si kami pa eh. Jesper!
Jesper!
They're in the sun! Jesper! Kiki! Jesper! Look oh! Jesper! Smile! Let's go! Iwak na! Wow, there's a drone.
Third floor.
310.
Here, 310.
309.
What?
309. 310.
Our hotel. Quick. Wait.
Huh?
Wait.
Cannot. There. House tour. No light.
Quick, hurry up.
Hurry.
Wow.
Wow, this thing a bit so big ah, weh?
Very big.
Oh, this is our room tonight. We can take a rest now because very tired. Yes ba? Yay!
Very happy na.
Ayan. We have TV.
Open TV.
Oh, what is this for?
Si or. Ay, ay, twin room, ate.
Oh, but they lock it.
Twin room, this one.
Twin room,
Yeah, nagkina-open na.
The lock.
it's like family room. It's very big.
Totoo yun.
It's clean.
Alright guys, bye bye. See you to our next video. Bye bye.
Amoy doon yung utot ni Jessica.